Assalamualaikum, I'm Mahamud from SHADAT'S. So today I'm gonna share with you guys my new budget PC under 50k. So let's move on the main video. So my processor is AMD Ryzen 5 3400G, and it has a 448 thread processor. So it has also 4.2 GHz max boost, 3.7 GHz base, and this is inbuilt graphics, Mega 11 graphics. So this is a good processor. So my motherboard is B450 DS3H gigabyte, and this is a very good motherboard, but also cheapest motherboard on this budget PC. I want to buy the Mortar Max MSI, but my budget is very tight, so I buy this gigabyte. This is also very good motherboard. So now let's talk about the RAM. I buy 8GB, 2.6 Corsair, total 16GB. Okay, 3200 bus. This is also a very good RAM in this budget. So this is at the SSD Corsair M510 and 240GB. This is also a very good SSD for the budget PC. So very important thing, the power supply. I buy the Gamdius Helio E1 500 watt. This is also a very good power supply. So if you can buy the 550 watt. I buy the 500 watt, and this is 80% efficiency. So this is also a good power supply. Then this is the UPS. You have to buy a UPS for your PC. So this is the maxgreen gold 5650 and single battery UPS. Also a very good UPS in this budget. So this is the main casing. Okay, I love this casing, and this is the casing. Gamdius aurus E4. So this is also a very good casing, I think so. So let's talk about the monitor. This is the main, and this is LG 22 MK600M. So I buy this monitor because its color collaborating is very nice and chose. So this is a pretty much better monitor in this budget, 22-inch. And this is my channel. You can see Said Mahamud. I'm a blogger, so I do blog, and I buy this PC for my blogging, video editing. So support, and if you like my videos, then you can subscribe. My channel link in the video description below. Go there and subscribe right now.